Ask a founder for the hiring plan, and what usually comes back is a list of job titles and a number somebody worked out in their head. This workbook turns that list into a real budget, month by month, with the true cost of every hire built up from its parts. Inside are 9 connected tabs. You enter your roles, your start dates, and your pay rates once, and the costs build up. The monthly forecast, the budget comparison, the backfill reserve, the scenarios, and the dashboard all update from that single roster. Here's the problem with almost every hiring template you can download. It multiplies salary by about 1.3 and calls it fully loaded. One number cannot be right for everybody. 3 employer taxes stop at a wage base, so they cost proportionally less on a senior salary, while health cover and payroll administration cost the same dollars whatever the person earns. So this workbook computes the multiplier instead of assuming it. Social Security, Medicare, federal unemployment tax, and state unemployment tax each sit on the Rates and Caps tab, with their own rate and their own wage base, all editable. On the worked example, the computed multiplier runs from 1.18 times salary up to 1.34 times across the same team. The monthly forecast prorates to the day. A hire who starts on the 19th carries 13 days of that month, not a whole one and not nothing. One-time setup costs and recruiting fees land in the start month only, which is where they actually hit your bank account. The budget comparison puts your plan next to the money you actually have and names the first month you go over and by how much. That is the number you want before you sign an offer letter, not after. Then there is the assumption nobody writes down. Your plan quietly assumes that nobody leaves. The backfill reserve tab prices in expected departures, so a resignation in March is a line you already funded rather than a surprise. Scenarios let you run the same roster 3 ways: a base plan, a lean plan, and a stretch plan, each with its own total cost and its own months of runway, so you can see what hiring one more person costs you in time as well as in dollars. You also get 4 guides covering the cost method, the planning playbook, and how to work the model, plus printable pages for the planning meeting. Everything works in Excel, in Google Sheets, and in LibreOffice, with the formulas visible and unlocked. And you own it. One payment, instant download. No per employee per month seat to keep paying for a plan you revisit once a quarter. The Headcount Hiring Plan and Budget Workbook, an Ardent Workshop product.